Today on CJ Off-Road, we're going to show you how to stabilize the front end of your JK. When you take your Jeep out on the trails, you want as much stability as possible in your steering components. Today we're going to be installing this FOX Steering Stabilizer fitting your 2007 to 2018 Jeep JK Wrangler. This FOX Stabilizer features rubber and metal bushings on each end with an aluminum machined end on the one side. Has a 1/2-inch diameter shaft bore with a durable powder coated body. It's going to look great on the front end of our JK, so let's get it installed. The first step of this installation is to remove your factory steering stabilizer. It just takes one bolt here and then the factory one right on the axle side. We don't have ours on here since we're doing a new build. It's already removed, so let's get started. We're going to put the rubber bushing end side onto the axle. Use the factory hardware, go in through the front, then put your nut tab onto the back. Get that snugged up, and then if you had the factory mount, you'd put it on that stud. We're going to use an aftermarket one and put it right where we want it. A nice tip to getting this lined up exactly where it needs to be, especially if you're going to mount a new steering stabilizer bracket, is to turn your wheel fully to the left. That way your steering stabilizer will be completely extended, then we can get it mounted up in the right spot. Just go ahead and grab the knuckle, turn it all the way to the driver's side. Now we're ready to work back onto the tie rod. If you're going to use an aftermarket mount or your factory, I would recommend putting the stabilizer behind your tie rod. It's going to eliminate the kind of risk of getting it damaged out on the trail, plus it's going to look a lot cleaner, give you the best results. Once I have it on there, I can now put the backing plate onto it. Get these tightened up. And your installation is complete. We just wrapped up the installation of the FOX Steering Stabilizer on my 2012 Jeep Wrangler. As you saw in the video, we didn't have a factory stabilizer on there. It makes the installation a little bit longer, however, it's not too bad. It only takes you about an hour to get it installed, and you can find it here as well as many other great parts for your JK at cjponyparts.com.